Inspection of cargo pump strainer. It is recommended to inspect the cargo pump strainer periodically. This is to check the condition of the strainer and the internal of the pipe and pump. Company instructions should be strictly followed while inspecting the cargo pump strainer. Chief Officer must instruct all crew involved in the work on the safety measures beforehand. Before opening the strainer, check that the valves around the cargo pump are in closed position. Ensure that there is no pressure in the pumps. Release the pressure inside the strainer before loosening the bolts of the cover. Hook the cover using chain block with tension and start to loosen the bolts. After all bolts are removed, lift up the cover carefully. When lifting the cover, do not stand on the cover. Check the interior of the strainer for any damages, rust, paint, tip, etc. Clean the interior before securing the strainer. Special care is needed when setting the O-ring or gasket. Finally, set back the cover properly.